Hello, my friends. Thanks for joining me today for part one of my last Christmas thrift haul, along with some beautiful items from Walmart, Canadian Tire, and IKEA. Make sure you subscribe as part two will be coming very shortly. So get cozy and hope you stick around for my future Christmas Decorate With Me videos. I hope you enjoy. So glad you're here for this huge Christmas collective haul. I have items that I've thrifted just recently and also items that I got from the big box stores. So there's quite a few I want to share here with you, and we're just going to get right into this. $1.49 from the Mission Thrift Store. I found these sweet little bells inside. They were 3 little bundles. I love the little berries, the pip berries. And these are cute little bells. I haven't seen this style before, at the thrift stores. It has a little wire, so I don't know if they were could be attached to something, I'm sure. But I thought they were gorgeous. And there was a pine cone in here as well. And I just added that to my collection. But I thought this is really sweet and can decorate in any vignette with these gorgeous little bells. I found this little reindeer at the Mission Thrift as well. He was still in a box. I guess they were still putting some items out, but I love him. The fact that his antlers are still intact is fabulous, but sweet little deer. Thought he was really, really cute. He is vintage, and I found him for $6.99, and I think he's gonna look cute on a stack of books. Here's a quick little view of those bells. I just put it in this gorgeous little silver cup that I thrifted a while ago. I added a wonderful little ribbon that I got from the dollar store, added some greenery, and very, very simple, sweet little vignette. So I also went to Restore, or Habitat for Humanity, it's also called, and I didn't realize they had a whole bunch of old records. So I was looking for Christmas ones. This one is Mario Lanza, and my mom got me into all these singers, so I found this one, a nice, beautiful album. I also got this one, Harry Belafonte, another beautiful Christmas one. I love the artwork on here. It's just gorgeous. And I also found another Mario Lanza one, and it has a different cover here and a different type of Christmas music. So I got all those, were $3 each, which I thought was fabulous. As you know by now, I definitely love old books. This is an antique, 1904. Gorgeous book. This one is all about violins, and I thought I'd pick this up to go with my gorgeous violin that I thrifted a while ago. So I found that one. I also found this red one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that color. Beautiful, almost like a crimson red. I love this. This one is, this one, if you can believe it, look at this. And I love the date, Christmas 1913. Isn't that just great? I love that. And this one was copyright 1899. And as you can see, this print was 1912. So beautiful, another antique. Love it. And then I also found this violin one. I found these all at the same time, which was amazing. Again, look at that artwork there. And this one, I believe, is an older one too. Sorry about that. And look at this one. It must have been the same people. A beautiful note as well. And it's dated 1910. I just love this. Beautiful, another antique book. And this one has a date of 1904. So at the Mission Thrift, $4.99 in this plastic bag, I found all these vintage, gorgeous Christmas ornaments. This red is gorgeous. This green, such a rich, rich green. That's quite a bag full. And as you know, I love collecting those as well. And I thought these were just so, so pretty. And what was really unique was the top of this one. See if I can focus that for you. Look at that. I don't know where that's from. Let me know in the comments if you ever seen a ornament hook like that before. I found this lying in the hardware section on the shelf. I guess somebody dumped it. And of course I scooped it up. Beautiful old vintage cookie cutters, $2.99 from the Mission Thrift Store. Even the box is beautiful, like an old box. And I realized there was a lid. So they duct taped this like crazy, and I wish they didn't, but this was the lid. It says right there, made in Germany. And like again, tried to take the tape off, but it was just ripping this cardboard. It's a very old box, but I just love this. I think it's really gorgeous vintage items that I can use in my kitchen to decorate. $1.99 for all this garland. I think these are going to look fabulous on my tree. I used red ones on my flocked one last year, but these are a little bit bigger. Same with the gold. I'm going to use those on my main real tree in my living room. And the whole reason I bought this bag was for these here, because I think I want to put those on my tree that's going to be in the kitchen. You'll have to wait and see how I decorate all those. Those are coming up really, really soon. But I thought for this big bag, $1.99 for all these are a great, great find. I saw this pretty deer at Mission Thrift. He's metal. I just love how he looked, very antique looking. I love his antlers with these small little beads. Really, really pretty. I love those. And I just have it hooked here, but he has quite the big hook on attached to him. I found him for $2.49, and he's gonna, find a little place somewhere in my house. Or also, he would make a really beautiful topper on a present. I saw this at the Mission Thrift, this gorgeous traditional plaid stocking. It looks like it's handmade, but beautiful. It also has a little bit of gold in there. You can see the thread there. And the edging's done well. And I found it for 99 cents. And I think it's going to look great styled somewhere. Really, really pretty. And for that price, can't beat that. I couldn't believe my eyes when I found these. $14.99 for a pair of wood cross-country skis. I was in shock. I've been looking for some of these for a while. I can't wait to style with these. Look at the bindings. Just fabulous. I don't know how old these are, but I love them. You can see they were truly loved. I used to cross-country ski with my dad, my whole family, and it just brought back all those wonderful memories. But I think these are going to look great by a fireplace, front entrance. If you guys have any other ideas, let me know in the comments. I would love to know where else you would style these wonderful skis. And lo and behold, behind those, I found these. They're a little bit smaller, $11.99. Of course, I had my wonderful coupon. I love that it says here Canada, the beautiful maple leaf, sport, and another pair of these old, probably vintage cross-country skis. These are a little beat up here, a little broken, but that's okay. Again, I'm going to use these for decorating, and I'm like thrilled that I could find two on the same day. So now I'm going to share everything that I got at Walmart. Our Walmarts here in Ontario, Canada have taken their time putting out the Christmas stuff. I did score this beautiful, it's almost like a painting. There is some raised pieces here. I love this. I think this is great for Christmas time and also for the winter season. I found this for $19.98. Now again, that's Canadian prices. But I love this. I think it's gonna look really, really pretty where I have it styled, and I love the wood frame as well. I love this tree. I think it's such a beautiful little design, kind of like a waffle here, and I love this. It looks like a little holly or whatever, but I thought these were cute. Great again for kitchen styling, and I found the two of them for $7.97. This is fantastic. So 30 feet for this price. This is Canadian, and I thought I was seeing things for this price, but I found this beautiful red velvet ribbon. So 30 feet I thought was really, really good. So I found that gorgeous one. I also found this beautiful, like, I don't know how I'm going to say it. It's kind of like a velvet. It's like beautiful, kind of a taupey color. I don't know if you're picking that up there. But again, the same price, 15 feet. I thought that was gorgeous. And I also found this beautiful kind of nice brown. Like, I'm not sure if I'm keeping either one of these. I was looking to maybe put these in my real tree because I do a different color there, not traditional colors. But I'm definitely keeping that because that's very useful. Can use all the time, traditional decorating. So the few things that I was able to find at Walmart was this, it's a Norfolk greenery stem or pick. It has two, looks like real pine cones. I think this is really a good one. Again, at Walmart, and the price for this was amazing. I couldn't believe that. $3.98, so under $4 for this wonderful pick. It's quite a big one too. I think it's gorgeous. And then I also found, sorry about that, is this wonderful berry pick. Isn't that gorgeous? I think that's a very large, substantial stem. Sorry about that. There you go. It's a wonderful, like that crimson darker red. I love it. It's beautiful. And it's going for the same price. So slim pickings, but for $3, I found this gorgeous ornament. It is plastic, but like shatterproof, but I thought this one is just gorgeous. It's gonna go on my real tree. And here I just have it hanging off of those pine stems there. So I think for that price, that's again a wonderful ornament to add to your tree. $3.98 each. I found this. Isn't this pretty? I love that. It's almost like a pipe cleaner. This gorgeous, again, this dark crimson red. What a wonderful ornament this is. I love all the greenery on top, little pine cones, little berries, and there's a little ribbon on the side. So you can hang this either way. I think these are really pretty and will look gorgeous on my white tree. $4. This wonderful Santa. I couldn't resist him. I thought he's gonna look really nice. I think he's a real good one. So I had to bring him home. We have this new collection here, fresh holiday items. And I saw these beautiful little framed pictures, very vintage inspired. I thought those were nice. Those were $13 for the pack of 3, which I thought was really great. I love that. I also found in that collection this. It's a Merry Christmas garland. So beautiful. I do love the color of the gold. And I think this is probably going to go in my family room. And I can't wait to use that. Oh, and the price for that was the same, $12.98. I thought that was a wonderful thing to add to my collection. And here I got for $9.98, so under $10. Again, the Holiday Time brand, this beautiful garland. I love the sound these bells are making, and I love the look of them as well. And there's that jute twine for the garland. So I got 2 packs of those. So these pretty little wood trees, there's 3 of them for $9.98. I thought that was a really good price. You know, so 3 and change for each of those. You know, you can also take the top off, that little hook and that, and use them for displaying like on books or on a bookshelf somewhere. I think that would look fantastic. Here I just hung one up here, and I just love the difference of the colors and the texture, but I thought those are really nice. So like again, in a tree, or you know, take those little tops off and hey, why not, and use those somewhere else. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw these. So obviously 4 ornaments for $12.98. This is what I've looked at so many other influencers that have this beautiful ticking stripe ornaments that you find at Hobby Lobby. We don't have that here in Ontario, Canada, but I was like, yes, finally. I love these, just gorgeous, beautiful look to these. And I'll just take one out. I'm sure you've seen it a million times everywhere, but I was in shock that Walmart had these. So I needed 2 hands. Sorry about that. But oh, I love this ticking stripe, this little ruffled edge. Even the little top is cute with the jute. You know, you can change that for sure, but I was thrilled to see these, that we actually have them here in Canada. I got the last little gingerbread man tray at my Walmart. He is so cute. I love the variations of the wood, and I've been looking for one for a long time. And I found him for $9.97. Do you have a little gingerbread man tray as well? I think I have to go back to Canadian Tire and get another one of these. I don't know why I only got one. This is stunning. It has this wonderful rattan bell. I love this velvet sage green ribbon, just beautiful. I love the mix of all the different greenery here. Some like, you know, a little frosted, some with some ice on the cedar, and you know, a pine cone. Very natural, I guess neutral looking bell. I just love it. It also comes with a jute string, so you could certainly hang it. That's what the back looks like. It has a different pine cone there as well. But yes, silly me, I should have got a second one. It does not have any bells inside, but you know what? Honestly, you could put them there if you really wanted to. But otherwise, this is a gorgeous, beautiful piece that I think I'll have for a long, long time. Another great find from Canadian Tire, these wonderful icicles. They are plastic, so that's great, shatterproof. They have these wonderful gold sparkles on there. I really love the look of these. They just have a different element, and I think what's nice about them having shape like this, they pick up all the different rays of light when it hangs in your Christmas tree. So they are canvas, which is their brand, and this was a pack of 4. So I got 4 packs of these, thinking these will go everywhere. I think it worked out to about a little less than $1 for each for a pack of 4. So I thought that was really reasonable. I'm just showing you there how the icicles look, just on a different color. And you can really pick up the gold with this background here. I just put a few in this greenery here that I got from Michael's. And look how beautiful that looks. So I saw this in Canadian Tire's website, this beautiful little wreath. I was looking for some small ones that were not so expensive, you know, definitely budget friendly, and something that I can use year after year. So I wanted something for my kitchen, and I found this. So it's beautiful, again, that Norfolk pine, this gorgeous dark green velvet ribbon. I love these little bells. I think it's so sweet, and a couple of little pine cones, or a few little pine cones. I thought that was a really, really sweet wreath. So I bought 3 of those. And then I also got 3 of these. So I can't decide which one I like better. This one has the red berries and the different eucalyptus and the cedar. I'm tempted to keep them all, but again, they're $14.99 each Canadian. And I just love them. I think they're great. So I'm having a really hard time deciding which one I want. They're just like on a grapevine wreath. But as you see, they are just so cute. So help me decide, which one would you prefer? The one with the red or with the green? So I've been wanting red lanterns forever. And I kept going into Walmart at the Christmas time, and they just never had them here in Ontario, Canada. So I found these. They are glass. Metal, and I love these. These are the big ones. I just love these. So I got 2 of these. I said I love these, right? This is gonna look stunning. You can put a candle in here, and or anything else, honestly, anything can go in here. I was thinking of putting these maybe on my front porch, but with our crazy winter weather, I'm not sure if I want to. Like I said, I've been waiting a long time to find these. So I found that, and I got, like I said, 2 of those. And then I was walking away and I saw these cute little one. So I thought, oh, that's adorable. And I thought, okay, maybe I should get one of these too. So I'm kind of kicking myself, and maybe I should have got more of these, because I think these will look adorable decorated in my kitchen or on a shelf, because they're just a perfect size for that. This ends today's video. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.